Welcome to Insight Builder channel, big data learners, data leaders, and my dear friends. Building single node Hadoop cluster, the environment setup introduction video. The steps to build your own cloud infrastructure is 6 steps in number. If you are new to big data or if you are completely new to this series of videos, I would suggest that take a look at my playlist, my YouTube channel playlist, build your own big data cluster, work on ETL and ELT projects. This playlist and the videos in that will introduce step by step to the process that you are following to build your own cluster and then working on various projects. Getting back to the presentation, in this series, in this presentation and the next live presentation, we will be following the first 4 steps. So signing up into your cloud account, getting a sign up. Second is to understand the compute instance, getting the 2 vCPUs, 8 GB RAM, 22 GB hard disk space, and then setting up Python and Ubuntu Linux. The individual steps that we need to follow is we need to ensure that you have the T2 large or equivalent instance, that is the virtual instance for doing the computation and installation. We need to ensure SSH connection and passwordless login. Passwordless login is very, very important for Hadoop and Spark installation. Ensure that you understand this very well. And we need to set up Python and Docker, after which we will install Postgres database for using it as a data catalog inside the big data cluster. This is what we will be following in the next series of videos that I will be next video itself. So I will be taking the live demonstration in the EC2 AWS environment. So stay tuned for that. We are right now working at the basement of this ecosystem where we are getting the Ubuntu Linux install and Postgres Docker installed so that we can move to the next step where we do the Hadoop file system, Spark, query engine, and Python installation. This is how the series is planned out. The series is geared towards enabling you to practice and also get a hands-on experience with big data cluster, not just working on big data, but even administering. If you are still thinking why I need to administer big data cluster by myself, you have to take a look at the video that is linked along with this video. I explained the reason why you should actually think about installing your own big data cluster and practicing it there, at least for a beginner, at least at the level of beginners. So hope that this videos and the series of installation videos are helpful for you, and do leave a like, share it with others, and subscribe to my channel. So once I upload new videos, you will be able to get the update on your YouTube dashboard. With that, guys, I would like to close this video with 4 words: practice, 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 practice.